Hey, this is Brandon with Ultimate Dent Repair. We recently repaired this 2015 Jeep Rubicon with hail damage on the windshield frame. You can see what about cracked the paint there. And these are just some really deep dents. Customer bought the vehicle with the hail dents in them. Wasn't interested in fixing all the hail, so he indicated which ones stood out the most to him with the X's marked on each dent. Now, with the windshield frame, there is no access to get behind those dents, so the only way to repair them is with the glue pull process. Now, one of the main concerns, because these dents were so deep, is that the paint will end up pulling on some of them, and unfortunately, that's what ended up happening. But because there was already cracked paint, the customer was okay with us continuing as long as the dents were flat and gone. He wouldn't mind adding some touch up to those spots there. You can see here that the dents are just gone, nice and smooth finish. And please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.